Question 3. Smith and Johnson had the same number of erasers. After Smith bought 30 more erasers, so Smith plus 30, he had thrice as many erasers as Johnson. So how many erasers did Johnson have? So let's first draw out our model. We know that this is an identical start question because Smith and Johnson had the same number of erasers at first. So we have Smith and Johnson. And we know that after Smith bought 30 more erasers, he had thrice as many erasers as Johnson. So if Johnson had 1 unit worth of erasers in the beginning, Smith now has 3 units worth of erasers. So we know that their difference in units actually represents 30. So we have 3u minus 1u equals to 2 units, and this represents 30. So we can find the value of 1 unit, which is 30 divided by 2, and that gives us 15. So now we can answer the question. So we know that Johnson had 1 unit worth of erasers. So Johnson has 15 erasers. And this is your final answer.